Hey you guys, welcome to the third episode of the wedding skincare series. Before we move on to this video, make sure you go and see the first and the second episode if you haven't already done that, because you'll have an idea what the series is all about. All you have to do is click on the I button somewhere here or here and you'll get a direct link to the video. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon if you haven't already done that. And if you have already done that, thank you so much guys, it really means a lot. So talking about blackheads and whiteheads, the first thing that comes to our mind is blackhead removal strips or whitehead removal strips or charcoal masks. But guys, do you think these actually work? I mean, yes, they do work, they remove the blackheads, but they don't internally cleanse your pores, and that is very important. So many people go to the dermatologist to clean the pores, but guys, if it's done by professionals, it's fine. But many people try to pop their blackheads on their own, and it's a very disgusting sight, guys. It's not at all appealing to the eye. I just came across a clip and I'm gonna show it here so you can check this out. Guys, it is really disgusting to pop pimples. So I would be showing you all how to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads at home with only natural ingredients. And yeah, if you want to know how, let's begin. So tip number one is using a steamer. So you need to steam your face, guys, because it opens up your pores and it's easier to remove all the dirt, dust and whatever is sitting in your pores. So you need to steam your face. Make sure you use a scrub. If you have seen the previous episode of this series, you will know that I have shared a coffee and sugar scrub. If you haven't already done that, go check out the video and you can use this scrub on your face. If you're not comfortable with that, you can also use plain sugar or salt on your face and exfoliate your skin. So step 3 is masking. Guys, mask with me, and make this mask. All you need is 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of gram flour and a little bit of milk. Just mix all of these ingredients really well, apply it on your face, leave it for 20 minutes and gently scrub it off in this motion. Step 4 is using a toner. So guys, here's a nifty little hack to shut the pores and prevent more blackheads and whiteheads. So this is a really nice toner, so let's see how to make it. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in your regular rose water toner. Shake it really well and spritz it on your face. This will not only shut open pores, but it's also gonna help prevent blackheads and whiteheads. Try this out for yourself, guys. I'm sure you're gonna love this. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, share, comment and
subscribe.
Also hit the bell icon, guys, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So with that, it's a wrap. Until next time, bye bye. People are looking there.